Good morning.
Good morning, Leo.
The weather is cold today.
Yes, it is very cold.
It's cloudy.
I like cloudy mornings.
Really? I like sunny weather.
Sunny days are nice too.
Did it rain last night?
Yes, it rained a lot.
The ground is still wet.
Look, the leaves are shiny.
I think the rain was heavy.
Yes, I heard thunder too.
Oh really? I was sleeping.
Lucky you.
Do you think it will rain today?
I don't know. Maybe later.
The clouds look dark.
Yes, a little dark.
Let's check the weather app.
Good idea.
It says rain in the afternoon.
Oh no, I wanted to go shopping.
You can take an umbrella.
Yes, that's true.
I always carry an umbrella.
That's smart.
The wind is strong too.
Yes, I can feel it.
My hair is flying everywhere.
Mine too.
Do you like windy weather?
Not really. It's annoying.
Same for me.
But the air feels fresh.
Yes, very fresh.
Look at the sky.
It's getting brighter.
Maybe the sun will come out.
I hope so.
Do you like hot weather?
Yes, a little hot is okay.
I prefer cool weather.
Cool weather is comfortable.
Yes, not too hot, not too cold.
Perfect weather.
Exactly.
Do you like snow?
Yes. Snow is beautiful.
I love snow too.
But it's very cold.
True. Very, very cold.
And the roads get dangerous.
Yes, slippery roads.
Have you ever seen a snowstorm?
No, never.
I saw one last year.
Wow. Was it scary?
A little. The wind was very strong.
What's your favorite weather?
Cool and sunny.
Nice choice.
Yours?
Warm and sunny.
Typical Leo.
Haha, yes.
The wind is stronger now.
Yes, I can see the trees moving.
Maybe it will rain soon.
Yeah, the app said it might rain today.
Oh yeah, I remember. The app said that.
Don't worry. Maybe the rain will be light.
The clouds look heavy.
Let's ride our bikes now before the rain starts.
Okay, good idea. My bag is heavy today.
I can help you carry some things.
Thank you, Leo.
The air feels colder now.
Yes, I can feel it too.
Look, the street is getting a little wet.
Oh no, is it raining already?
Just a few drops.
Maybe we should ride faster.
Okay, let's go.
The wind is getting stronger.
And the clouds are darker too.
I hope we can get home before the rain.
Don't worry. We're close.
Okay, now it's really starting.
Let's race.
You will lose, Leo.
The rain feels cold.
Yeah, but it's kind of fun.
True. I like rainy rides.
My face is all wet now.
Let's go through that small street.
Okay.
The rain is slowing down.
Good. I really need to finish my shopping.
What do you need to buy?
Bread, fruit, milk, and some snacks.
Snacks. The most important thing.
Of course.
Look, the road is drying.
That's great.
Do you still want to race?
Maybe.
Okay, ready?
No. Not now.
All right, all right.
I think the market is close.
Yes, I see the sign.
Great. I can buy everything now.
I'll park my bike and wait for you.
No, come with me. I need help.
Okay, okay. I'm coming.
Let's go inside before it rains again.